Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and we have a challenge coming up. If you've been an entrepreneur for a while and you're feeling kind of stuck, like you're spinning in circles, you haven't really been getting anywhere, a lot of times it has to do with what's going on up here. And I want to help you develop an infinite growth mindset. So I'm doing a 5-day free infinite growth challenge. So I'm going to help you set big, audacious goals for 2019, attract the right people and connect with them in the oh, she really gets me kind of way. You're going to be able to look at your business so much differently and understand that your potential is limitless. You're going to be able to generate new leads into your business, get new customers every single day. So I hope you're excited because I am. This stuff is my jam. Go to joingrowthchallenge.com to register, invite a few friends. Your business is going to transform in just 5 days. So I'll see you there.